Is it another PR bond?
It was one PR bond, then another county posted, and then another PR bond.
So it's 4 times. I'm trying. I don't believe it. What if I find that you smoking weed again? Into jail you will go. And this time,
the frustration you just heard, that's the sound of a judge who has reached his absolute limit. 4 times, Mr. Diaz has walked out of this courtroom on a PR bond. 4 times, he's been given a clean slate and a chance to do right. But today, the cycle might finally break. This is the state versus Mr. Diaz. He's a 28-year-old claiming he's just trying to work and keep his new apartment. But the reality involves a late-night arrest in a car filled with drug scales and baggies. While his attorney points to his work shirt as proof of progress, the police found a satchel he suddenly claims isn't his. Is Diaz truly a victim of circumstance? Or is he a master of the bond loop? If you want to understand the psychology of the courtroom and how justice handles repeat offenders, hit subscribe. Let's head back to day 1 in court.
Fish, did you want to go over a few?
yeah, let's do it.
Page 3, claims. He called and said we didn't have a right. We had to go in.
15,003. And they keep giving him a PR. Is it another PR bond?
It was one PR bond, then another county posted, and then another PR bond.
So it's 4 times.
3. There is this third one that we really.
Oh, hey.
Yes, Judge.
Yes, ma'am.
On Mr. Diaz. Yes, Judge. I can take this.
Well, I see the language, but I can't. From what I saw, I don't see the. Don't really. Feelings are active.
Well, I know you're not going to, but it's the fact of having all that. You're not going to see it.
I think it's on his car. He's in the passenger seat. There's the driveway. From what I understood, he does have a satchel bag where there's marijuana. But all those other facts that I saw, that I represented to you, I didn't want to mischaracterize that as though he's the one doing it because I don't know if that's true.
Okay.
There is the allegation that they do find the bag, so bag and about the shape.
Where do they find the baggies and the scales?
I do
The
this.
scale was on the driver's side, the vacuum bag was on the passenger floor, but it did give the other defendant a diversion program off the back. So she, from that,
Yes.
it looks like she says, these are mine. So she made some.
So they charge her with possession of marijuana too?
Well, they didn't charge her, they just gave her a diversion program, which I don't, it doesn't amount to a charge necessarily. I think it's a pre-charge.
Now, I remember that was back in the day that they used to do. That was like very, very, very like right when the first administration, it was like right at 18, they used to do that. And I haven't.
My client, I don't know, but
Because he's on bond for theft.
I think
And he's, they didn't find weed on her, did they?
it didn't see white meat on anyone that was in the car.
It's in his satchel.
He says satchel was not his. He just had a banana in his pocket and something else, but he's saying nothing was his, whereas she's saying that
The satchel he
things were hers.
The officer says we found it in his bag. I don't know if I didn't hear any admission as that's his necessarily.
So what do you think?
Well, Your Honor, I
Give him another PR bond?
say you refer to the court.
Which is the opposition.
So now, how do we ensure that he doesn't pick up another case? What is he doing with himself?
He does work. I did talk to pretrial and probation, although they cannot force anyone to do anything, they can monitor if they've done it or not. So I'm thinking an effective decision-making class simply because he may not know what to do. And those courses tend to help in some situations. So if he takes that class and then he shows proof of it, at the very least, that's time he's using to not be in other people's car. And according to my client,
Deputy Chigon, do you mind bringing out Mr. What's his name again?
Diaz,
Mr. Diaz, please. Thanks.
And Your Honor, if I may, from what I remember, that it's saying on Friday or whenever it's talking about, but he said he was getting a ride from work, and I can't verify that in the video, he's wearing a shirt.
the bus stopped running at the time she was picked up.
You got him on your side. It's just,
But
you got him working for you now. That's funny.
Yes. Johnny asking us?
Is he in school? What is he? Did he graduate from high school? What's he doing now?
I believe he does have his GED, but he is just working at this point in time.
It's complicated. Because the girl may tell me first. So right now, I'm telling you for you.
What do you want to do with the rest of your life?
I'm trying, Your Honor. I really trying.
I'm trying. I don't believe it. What, you're not answering my question. What do you want to do with the rest of your life?
I want to get better. I want to be, helping the community. I want to run a business. I do want to do good by my life.
I'm not asking you to tell me what you think I want to hear.
No, sir.
What I'm trying to get at is, you're, how old are you, what, 19?
No, 28.
You're 28. You have your whole life ahead of you. And it was time to think about what you want to do with your life 10 years ago at 18, because now is when you start working hard, gaining knowledge so that you do something, because this life really, really sucks without money. The divorce rate in this country is so high because people don't have money and they sit and they argue about money because they can't buy stuff. They can't do this. One person is using money to do that when they don't have it. The only way you get that is by gaining knowledge, going to school, either getting a degree or working your way so well that you end up with a good job. I mean, there's one or two Jeff Bezos in this life, right? But I don't want to just keep you in the jail for keeping you in jail. But we have to figure out what we're going to do with you so you don't end up as another statistic. That's what I would like. And I'm going to tell you now, I will give you another PR bond, but I promise you it's your last. You will not get another one. Do you understand? I'm going to test you 50 days from today. If I find that you smoking weed again, into jail you will go. And this time, and I'm telling you, I will not take a plea on your theft case just for you to get out. It's not going to happen. I'm not going to let you ruin your life. We will wait it out and play it out until it happens the right way. Do you understand?
Sir.
Now, what are you doing on a daily basis?
Like right now, I just got my apartment, so I have to keep up the rent. So I'm going to work right now.
How many hours you work in a week?
Out 40.
I think that Ms. Chisholm had a good plan on working on how to go forward. I don't want you out in the middle of the night. I don't want you hanging out with this person that you got arrested with. And don't use dope. If I find that you're using, it's really just not going to go well for you. You pick up a new case, it's not going to go well for you. I won't give you another one. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
The judge made the final call. Mr. Diaz gets one last 50-day window to prove he can stay clean. But here's the question. Was the judge being merciful or just delaying the inevitable for a repeat offender? Comment below, Team Mercy or Team Accountability? Should Mr. Diaz have gone straight to jail today? If this case got you thinking about justice, hit like. Share this with anyone who loves real courtroom drama.